climb inside the 2025 Ford Ranger. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, front fog lights, skid plates, lane departure warning, reverse sensing system, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.